It's not magic. This is a real little science experiment. Scrape the watermelon with your nails. You can split the watermelon in half with a thin piece of cotton thread. Pour some alcohol on the sand. Mix the baking soda and sugar in a ratio of 1:3 and pour over the top. Light it and you will summon an ancient and mysterious snake of pharaohs. Dab an empty bottle at the egg yolk. You can separate the egg white and the yolk perfectly. Join the iron nail to the copper nail with copper wire. Insert the same 4 groups into fresh lemons. Insert copper nails and iron nails at both ends. A copper wire is connected to make the bulb glow. That's electron ionization. You can't imagine. You can easily open a beer bottle with just a bottle of water. That's how leverage works. Put the root of the rose. Cut evenly into quarters with a knife. Insert them into 4 different colors of paint. Let's sit overnight. You get a colorful rose. This is called capillarity. Tie the straw to the balloon with tape. Run the string through the straw. Secure both ends of the rope. Flying balloons. You can see the power of the air booster.